ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahai, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. President Isaias Afwerki departs for Egypt. Athlete Nahom Ermias, champion of Asmara Marathon 2026. NATO considers a new 70 billion euros military aid to Ukraine. North Korean leader orders 2.5-fold increase in the missile production capacity over the 5 years. Proceeding with our reports. President Isaias Afwerki departed for Cairo in the mid-afternoon hours today for a 3-day official visit to Egypt. During the visit, President Isaias will hold extensive discussion with President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi on the enhancement of broad bilateral ties, including cooperation in the economic and other sectors. The two presidents will also discuss vital issues regarding the Horn of Africa, the security of the Red Sea, and developments in the Middle East. The presidential delegation includes Mr. Osman Saleh, Minister of Foreign Affairs. Athlete Nahom Ermias from the Gashbarka region becomes a champion of Asmara Marathon 2026, held today along with the main street of Asmara. Asmara Marathon is being conducted for the 7th time. Athlete Nahom finished the race in 2 hours, 16 minutes and 22 seconds, followed by Olympian athlete Olbay Kibrom from the Central Region Club and Olympian athlete Olbay Tsagay from Dendan Club, who finished 2nd and 3rd respectively. In the women's half marathon category, Olympian athlete Nadrat Woldu from the Gashbarka region finished the race in 1 hour, 16 minutes and 11 seconds, winning the gold medal and a cup. Olympian athlete Dolci Tesfu from Dendan Club and athlete Simrat Merhawi from Dendan Club finished 2nd and 3rd respectively. In the Paralympics race conducted in 2 groups, Tedros Aragai, Jonas Hailu and Petros Samuel stood 1st, 2nd and 3rd in the first group, while Tasfahiwa Takhle, Ibrahim Mohammed and Rar Obamikayam took the top 3 positions in the second group. Asmara Marathon 2026 was participated in by athletes from Eritrea, South Sudan, Uganda and Kenya. The winners were provided prizes by various government officials, and certificates of recognition were handed out to those who contributed in the successful implementation of the event. It is to be recalled that athlete Nahom Ermias was also the winner of Asmara Marathon in 2023 and 2025. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back. NATO countries have been weighing a new military aid for Ukraine worth 70 billion euros, according to several NATO diplomats. The details of the support plan are expected to be revealed at the NATO summit in July. Proposed by Germany, the plan aimed to increase transparency of funding for Ukraine and balance the ratio of cost among NATO members with a new mechanism. A report published by Kiel Institute, one of Germany's top economic research institutions, on Thursday showed that from January to April this year, European countries provided 2 billion euros per month in military support to Ukraine, which was 4 billion euros lower than of last year. It also reported that during the same period of time, the United States did not offer any military aid. On our last report, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has ordered a key defense manufacturer to expand its ballistic and cruise missiles production capacity by 2.5 times over the next 5 years, according to the state media. Wodong Sinmung, a ruling Workers' Party newspaper, reported that Sunday that Kim issued a directive during a visit to previous day to a major defense industrial facility where he reviewed the production of status of a key weapons system for the first half of the year. During the inspection, Kim received a report outlining plans to boost missile production capacity and emphasizing that expanding output is the core task needed to meet what he described as a sharp rise in the missile demand. He instructed officials to submit the production expansion proposal for deliberation at an upcoming preliminary meeting of the 9th Central Committee of Workers' Party. Kim also praised the facility for completing its key weapons production targeting for the first half of the year ahead of schedule and for accelerating preparation for the second half production. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. President Isaías Afwerki departs for Egypt. Athlete Nahum Irmas, champion of Asmara Marathon 2026. NATO considers new 70 billion euros military aid to Ukraine. And North Korean leader orders 2.5-fold increase in the missile production capacity over 5 years. That was the news from ERi-TV Studios. This has been the ERi reporting. Thanks for watching and have a good night.